The Honda HPX, Honda Pininfarina E-Experimental, was a groundbreaking concept car that marked a pivotal moment in Honda's automotive journey. Unveiled at the 1984 Turin Auto Show, it was the company's first-ever concept vehicle, a collaboration with the legendary Italian design house Pininfarina. The HPX embodied a bold vision of the future, combining avant-garde styling, cutting-edge materials, and race-inspired engineering. Though it never entered production, the HPX laid the technological and philosophical groundwork for the iconic Honda NSX. Visually, the HPX stunned audiences with its radical wedge-shaped silhouette and jet fighter-inspired design. Measuring 163.8 inches in length, 70.1 inches in width, and just 43.7 inches tall, the compact form was emphasized by sharp lines and a two-tone white and dark blue paint scheme, divided by a striking red accent stripe. One of its most dramatic features was its one-piece perspex canopy, which replaced conventional doors. This transparent canopy lifted vertically and extended rearward, functioning both as access to the cockpit and as a driver-controlled air brake, an aerodynamic innovation far ahead of its time. Underneath the sleek exterior, the HPX was engineered with lightweight composite materials, including carbon fiber, Kevlar, and honeycomb panels, ensuring both rigidity and reduced weight. The car rode on distinctive hurricane-style alloy wheels, further reinforcing its futuristic appeal. Performance was more than theoretical. The HPX was powered by a mid-mounted 2.0-liter DOHC 24-valve V6 engine derived from Honda's Formula 2 racing program of the early 1980s. While official power figures were never released, comparable engines from that era produced over 310 horsepower. Aerodynamic ground effects built into the underbody helped optimize high-speed stability and downforce, foreshadowing principles later used in production supercars. Inside, the HPX featured Honda's electronic drive support system, an ambitious suite of technologies including dual display screens, real-time telemetry, GPS navigation, and even road condition alerts using sonar. This early form of driver assistance showcased Honda's long-term vision for intelligent, connected vehicles. Although the HPX remained a concept, its legacy is profound. It directly influenced the development of the first-generation Honda NSX, 1991 to 2005, which adopted several key elements from the HPX, including the mid-engine layout, lightweight construction, and advanced aerodynamics. After decades out of the public eye, the HPX was fully restored by Pininfarina and made a historic return at the 2023 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, marking the first time in over 50 years that a Japanese car appeared at the event. Shown in the Wedge-Shaped Concept Cars and Prototypes category, it captured the admiration of enthusiasts and designers alike. The Honda HPX remains a testament to fearless innovation. It symbolized the beginning of Honda's supercar ambitions and continues to inspire the brand's pursuit of performance and technology-driven design to this day.